Morning children, welcome to the online class. Today is the second day of your chapter 2. In the previous session, we have learned how to convert decimal numbers to binary. In today's class, we will learn about how to convert binary number to decimal number. So let us see its rule. To convert a binary number into its equivalent decimal number, follow these steps. Multiply. So the first step is multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power. Second rule is increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. Third rule is calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. So children, I hope all of you understand. Let us see with the example. So before I start, I want to explain you how to raise the power of 2. So this way I have made one table over here. So this table you also make in your classwork copy, and this is the example of binary number and its base is 2, as you already see it's written 2, so we already understand this is a binary number. So now in this table you can see I have fixed the value, base value as a 2. Then as you see in the second rule, increase the power 1 by 1. So how do I have increased the power? First we'll start with always 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Till 10 I have taken, further it can go more. Now let us find out the power, as you know how to find out the power of any number. So here the power of 2 when multiply with the 0, always it is 1. Then when you take out 2 into 2, 2 into 1 power, then it will be what? 2. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 2 times 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So the power will be 8. Same here, 2 multiply 2 will be multiplied 4 times. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So this way we will take out the powers. So same way, then when we multiply 2 5 times, then it will become 32, then 64, then 2 by 7 is 128, then 2 की power 8, 256, then 2 power 9 is 512, 2 power 10 is 1024. If you want to check, then you can check like this way. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. 64 into 2, 128. 128 into 2, 256. 256 into 2, 512. Then 512 into 2, 1024. So all of you understand, children? I think you have understood this table. So this way we can easily take a power when we need to convert binary to decimal number. So now let us see some example in the next video.